Today I will show you how to buy shares of BGSF Inc., a U.S.-listed services company. It trades on the NASDAQ under the ticker BGSF. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds to your balance before buying. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker BGSF to find the company listing. Make sure you select the NASDAQ result to locate the correct stock. Open the BGSF instrument page to review basic company information and view the price chart. Check the company profile and exchange to confirm this is the correct NASDAQ stock. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order will be queued until the market opens. If your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before it can confirm the purchase. Once the trade is filled, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to the example eToro page is in the video description if you want to follow the same steps.